Here's another estate sale video. Went out and hit one estate sale, spent $1 and got some more vintage C9 lights and an autometer tester out, which I might do a giveaway on. But anyway, yeah, this was new in the box. This is part of the inside of the box. These are the bulbs. These are the made in Japan inside ceramic coated lamps. Look at that, they're all those bases. Yeah, these are all brand spanking new. And like I say, they're the good, these bulbs last forever. I have some of these bulbs, these Japanese Noma bulbs that are probably been going for 20, 30 seasons. And then I got this, which is little mini lights. Seeing I use the little 35 flower light sets on my Christmas tree. And these bulbs are the voltage that they use. And some of those light sets are even Kmart branded, so those are the brand names. And the box, this is what I like the most about these vintage lights, is the old boxes. I bought this because it was all in the box. Well, the box, the bulbs, and the light set were just laying in a box that this was in, but I picked it all out. And just, you know, some of my viewers watch my videos just for my estate sale stuff, and some of them watch them just for Christmas lights. Some watch them for the cars. Everybody has their different likes in life, and this is one of my many likes. Anyway, yeah, there we go. I'm gonna put it all back in the box properly. The string here is, I mean, this is as brand new gets. I mean, I don't know if you can read that or not, but anyway, yeah, look at it. It's a 20 light set out of 25, but look at that. These have never had lamps installed on them, so I'm gonna fold all this up and put it back in the box and make a nice display. Sometimes I put boxes of new lights out at Christmas time, you know, make a nice little like Christmas light display. The next thing I got right here, I might do a giveaway on it. It's a tack dwell, try and get the light so it doesn't reflect on it. Tack dwell RPM volts. Pretty much, well, you know, I mean, it's what it is. It's just what it states, a tune-up thing for old points. But it says on the back of this door, it says that it requires a 9-volt battery. And so I took the box, the cover off, and this is what I found in it. It's pretty old but neat battery. Computation, dry battery for transistor radios. So if this is probably the original battery, it's probably had very little use, this unit. And this looks like a pretty old battery. I was looking to see if it has a date or something on it. It says manufactured by, it's right on the fold, but it does have a zip code. Something, 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 New York. 10010, it looks like the zip code is. And it has a number on the bottom too, but it says GTO, maybe a 6 or an 8. So if anyone knows how to date code old batteries, too bad it's all rusted out. It's a neat looking battery, but I'm gonna eventually do a giveaway and give this to one of my viewers that has an old points and condenser operated car that could use one of these. And I'm even gonna put a new battery in it, so stay tuned for future videos. We'll do a giveaway on this, and next time I have that going, maybe I'll just hook it up and see if it works, and if it does, I'll do a video on that too. Maybe that's when I'll do a giveaway for it. But anyway, that was my extent to my estate sale finds here. I know it's not a long video, but that's just the way it is. Oh, and I got brake cleaner. I got a As if you watch my videos, if you watch the ones on the cars, if you watch the one on promoting that there, which is, I actually like it. It'll make it great when I go to adjust brakes, or you know, I just want to jack a wheel up or something. It'll work fantastic for that. But anyway, all the wheel cylinders leak except for the right rear, so I ordered all 4 wheel cylinders. I ordered the new hoses. I put new steel lines on it some years ago. I'll check them out, make sure they're all okay. I'll probably flush the system before I change the cylinders so I don't put dirty fluid into the new cylinders. And I'll do a video when I get to this. I probably won't have the parts for about a week, so there's not going to be a video of that immediately. But anyway, I just thought I would do this, and that way, you know, you can see some of my estate sale stuff here, which, you know, I kind of like. And there was a snowblower, an MTD snowblower at that estate sale. I thought, oh, maybe I ought to purchase it, and I forgot to ask how much it was. The last day, so everything was 50% off, but the snowblower didn't have a price on it. And when I was at the checking out with this, I forgot about it. So when I was leaving, I thought, oh, I forgot to ask about that, and I thought, I need it like I need a hole in my head. I still have one here, this Montgomery Ward one. So once I sell this, then I'll maybe keep an eye. I don't have the room to store a whole bunch of stuff, you know. I don't have all the space I used to have, you know, to where I could have, you know, a half a dozen snow blowers that I'd have for sale, or lawnmowers. You know, I always used to fix power equipment and sell it, and I always had quite a number of them around. And but with the lack of room, that's not the case anymore. But anyway, I just thought I would show this. Let me get it all boxed back up, and so, you know, will look nice for display. New battery installed. Let's see, this goes on, I guess, this way. Kind of a little bit of a pain to get that battery, because it sits down in there like so flush. So when I took it out, I had to take a little pick to pull that plastic up and out to change the battery. So there it goes. We'll have a new battery in it when I do the giveaway on it. And that way I can test it too. So I don't know why it needs a battery in it. It just doesn't have an ohm meter. So, you know, maybe, I don't know. Let me, has this for, I think this is for doing amps. It's like a shunt deal. But let me clip these together like so, and see if that makes any difference in, yeah, right there. So that's dwell. So probably maybe that's where it needs it, for the dwell. Anyway, let's see if the bolts things work. I'll take it over on the Bel Air. Oh, and by the way, I boxed these back up. You know, it's just kind of neat having the original box. So it was $4.96. I wish that other sticker wasn't, this one wasn't peeled away, you know, or worn away, so I could see a little bit more, because that might have been a markdown after the holiday, and, you know, if they're after Christmas sale. But there we go. That came out nice, all boxed up in there. All right, and these too. So yeah, I scored on that. Let me get the hood open on the Bel Air, and we'll try the voltmeter. I did a couple minutes search on the internet, and that Kmart logo there was used from, does it show up on my phone there? From 1962 to 1969. So that set of lights is probably from the 60s. And these mini lights, I was doing some looking around, and these are from 1985. They actually, somewhere I saw a date on it. I was doing some research, and it stated that they're dated, and I don't remember where I saw it now, but it's stated that these are 1985. So I got the mini lights from 85 and the NOS new old stock. I mean, that's pretty neat that you can still find something in the box, new, unused, from the 60s. You know, you're talking 50 years ago or more. Kind of neat. So anyway, we got that too. So I just thought I would show you that so you get an idea what year those lights are. And I have a fan somewhere. I think that one with the thermostat with the push buttons has that Kmart logo on it too. So it's probably from the same era. Well, voltmeter works. It's showing, I don't know, 12.5 volts. A little more than 12.5 volts. And I got it hooked to the battery maintainers on it. And it states that the battery's at 12.8 volts. So that's probably pretty accurate. The blue scale is the volts. The yellow below the blue is amps. The dwell is the orange line. And the red, that very bottom scale is a points resistance scale. Maybe that's what the, I bet that's what that. And this is all color coded to this. That's high and low RPM. That's a pretty slick little meter there. I have, you know, I have more of these than I know what to do with. I have one in that box from when I used to work on boats, because a lot of boats were kind of behind the times. They had points and condenser well into the 90s and carburetors into the 2000s. So yeah, I have this, oops, have that one too. So, you know, and I have a oscilloscope there for scoping engines out. So that's why I'm going to do a giveaway on that, and eventually I'm going to do a giveaway on, I've been using this. I use this quite often. It just saves me digging through my drawers to get my soldering gun out. It's exactly what it is, what it says on the box. And I have 3 of these, well, this being my 3rd one. I don't need 3, so I thought I would do a giveaway on that. Paid, I think, $2 for that in the estate sale, so, or $2 or $3, I don't remember. That's a estate sale. Martin gave me the tray one day. I'll have to try that out. The Jiffy Pop, I think, isn't deep enough. I think it's supposed to, you know, almost rub on that burner, this bottom. You know, and I have to peel the cardboard off too, but as it pops, this raises, and that's right where it shuts the machine off. So it might shut it off, you know, if that thing pops up like that. But you put your popcorn in, you push this button. I have videos of this in the past on my channel, so you can go back and look at it. But anyway, that's going to be it for the estate sale video. I'm not going to make a long, bored out video here. So if you like the video, like my finds, and stay tuned if you want to try and get that dwell meter or the soldering gun. I'm going to do probably 2 separate giveaways. Getting close to 1,000 videos. Maybe I'll do one when I get 1,000 videos and give this or the soldering gun away, and we'll go from there. But anyway, there we go. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up icon. It helps me out a lot. If you like my channel, that 348 engine icon that pops up there will help you subscribe. And thank you for watching my video.